Hello children, how are you all? I hope everybody is fine. With this hope, let's start with today's session, right? Today we are going to discuss about the question pattern. This is common for +1 and +2. Okay, this is common. More or less, it is common for +1 and +2 children. Okay, so see the first part. It contains 20 questions. It contains 20 questions with one word type. Okay, with options. Choose the best answer type. 20 questions. Okay, so question number 1 to 3 will be coming under synonyms. Okay, question number 4 to 6 will be coming under antonyms. Antonyms. Question number 7 is from abbreviations and acronyms. Okay. So today we are going to discuss about the abbreviations and acronyms. After that we will move one by one and we will discuss one question by other question. See about abbreviations and acronyms. Okay. So abbreviations are the group of letters which is coined from the initial letter of a phrase. Okay. This is abbreviation. For example, SBI. Okay, SBI, which is abbreviated from State Bank of India. Okay, how we pronounce this phrase letter by letter. Okay, so SBI, it comes under abbreviation pattern. Acronym is a word coined from the initial letter of a phrase. Okay. Abbreviations are group of letters from the initial letter of phrase. Acronym is a word coined from the initial letter of phrase. Okay. For example, WHO, World Health Organization. Okay. WHO. While we pronouncing this acronym, we pronounce the whole word together. Okay, we pronounce the whole word together, not like SBI. Here we are pronouncing letter by letter. Okay, but here we are pronouncing the whole word, which is called acronym. And letter by letter, that is called abbreviations. Do you find the difference between abbreviations and acronyms? So abbreviation எடுத்துட்டீங்கன்னா ஒவ்வொரு லெட்டர் பை லெட்டரா நம்ம ரீட் பண்ணி சொல்லுவோம். SBI. ஓகே. சோ அக்ரோனிம் எடுத்துட்டீங்கன்னா கொடுத்திருக்கக்கூடிய அந்த அக்ரோனிம் ஒரு வேர்டாவே நம்ம ப்ரொனவுன்ஸ் பண்ணுவோம். எக்ஸாம்பிள் WHO. ஓகே. WHO, radar, like that. Here IIT, IIM. Okay. That's all abbreviations and acronyms part over. Questions will be asked. One question will be asked whether from abbreviation or from acronym. Okay, that is question number 7. So question number 7 from abbreviation or acronym part. Clear? Shall we move on to next? Okay, dear children. Next we are going to see about question number 8. That is based on compound words. The name itself you can understand. Two or more words combined together and to form a new word and also gives a new meaning. That is compound word. Okay, two or more words combined together to form a new word with new meaning. This is compound word. Before learning about compound words, you should know very well about the parts of speech, particularly noun, verb, adjective, adverb, all these things. Okay, what is a noun? As you all know, noun is a naming word. Okay, what you can see surrounding you, that is called noun. Okay, naming words. What about verb? Verbs are action words. What the noun is doing, that is verb. Okay, adjective is describing the noun. Describing the noun. Then what may be the adverb? Qualifies the verb. Okay, it explains about the verb. At least these four things should be very clear. Okay, just to form a compound word or to identify the compound word combination. Okay, so noun na enna ungala sutti irukக்கூடிய எந்த பொருள் நீங்க பார்த்தாலும் அந்த பொருளை என்னன்னு சொல்லலாம்னா noun னு சொல்லலாம். Meaning words. Okay, So verb அப்படின்னா அந்த பொருள் அந்த noun என்ன வேலை செய்யுது அப்படிங்கறது சொல்லக்கூடிய action words, that is verb. Okay, adjective. இப்போ noun எப்படிப்பட்டது அப்படின்னு அந்த noun-ஓட physical features-ஐயோ அந்த noun-அ பத்தியோ explain பண்ணக்கூடிய word adjective. Then adverb அப்படி verb-அ explain பண்ணக்கூடிய word adverb-னு சொல்றோம். Let's see one example. Raj is tall. Here, this is the noun, this is the verb, and what about this, whether it is adjective or adverb? This word tall explains the noun. How Raj is. Raj eppadi irukkan அப்படினு Raj பத்தி noun பத்தி explain பண்றதுனால இந்த word என்னன்னு சொல்லலாம், adjective. So see here, he runs fast. See here, he is a noun, that is actually pronoun, right? Runs verb. And what may be the fast? What may be the word fast? Fast explains about the person or about the verb. How he runs. Okay. அவனை பத்தி சொல்லல, அவன் எப்படி ஓடுனான் அப்படிங்கிறது அந்த verb பத்தி explain பண்றதுனால இந்த word என்னன்னு சொல்றோம், adverb, which explains about the verb, which qualifies the verb. Is it clear? Okay. If this portion is clear, means you can easily identify the compound words as well as you can easily frame the compound words combination. Okay. This is an example for compound word. Okay. So this is one word and this is also one word. You have to find out whether what type of parts of speech it is. Okay. Sports is a naming word, so it is noun. Then what about man? Man is also a naming word, so it is also noun. So this combination is noun plus noun combination. Okay, the sportsman is noun plus noun combination. See one more example. Sun, rise. Okay, sun, rise. Two words forming a compound word, sunrise. Okay, sun, as you all know, it is a noun. What about rise? Rise, it is a verb. So rise is a verb and the combination here is noun plus verb. So the compound word may be with three types. See these examples, these three examples have a little differences. What are the differences? Actually the compound words are coming with the three types. First one is Snow White. Two words are in between a gap. Okay. See the second word, lifelong. Two words are combining together without any gap. Okay, that is second type. See the third type, two words are combining together using a hyphen. Okay, so with gap, without gap, hyphen, these are all three coming under the category of compound words. So tell me, Snow White. What may be the combination of this compound word, Snow White, snow? That is a naming word, so it is noun. Actually all the colors which explains about the noun, isn't it? So white is an adjective. Okay, just keep it in your mind, all the colors are adjectives, all the colors are adjectives, all the numbers are adjectives. Okay, adjective you have to represent like this, A, B, G. Okay, here air conditioning, air is a noun plus conditioning. When a verb comes with the ing form, that is called gerund. That is called gerund. So this is under the category noun plus gerund. So sunrise is the combination word of noun plus verb. See here, push button. So as you all know, push is a verb and button is a noun. Okay, it is verb plus noun category. Okay. Dining hall. Here the verb is coming with ing. So here gerund plus hall is noun. Clear? Can you find out the combination now? Right. They may ask like this. You have to find out the combination. What type of combination is this? You have to find out. This is one type. One more type is there. They may ask the correct combination of the word. They will give one word. The combination word you have to find out with the options given. Okay. They may give only the word sun. Okay. And they will give 4 options. You have to find out the suitable option. So rise is the suitable option for sun. So you have to find out that it is sunrise. Likewise, sportsman. They will give only this word, sports. It is combined together with man. You have to find out the combination. Okay, is it clear? Compound words clear? We'll move on to next one. Next video we'll see the remaining part. Thank you.